say you have a YouTube channel and you're trying to get higher in the algorithm, if you do a live stream.
How he learns to fly. For me, it was becoming a single mom overnight and knowing that I didn't have anything. I didn't have a nest egg. I didn't have that conversation.
Some of us set aside 10%, whatever it is that is for doing good, but have it come out up front just when you get paid. And by the way, most banks depend whomever you bank with in their own
Yes, Prudential, you know what we like. Conchas, baby. Look at how cool. Look at these amazing conchas.
Some of all the experience that I had gained as a reporter, as somebody that knew how to contact media, and as somebody that had developed exceptional relations and contact lists with the U.S. Hispanic press, to know everybody in what I was going to do if I was going to be the best and to be recognized at what I was doing. So know everybody. It has value to be constantly visible. See, you know everybody there. Be seen as a thought leader. It will not happen overnight. Thought leaders are people that, like Carlos here, who's just here, are everywhere. They're always, always, always on it. But once you do it after a while, now you know you got a serious company brand. In the beginning, it needs to be about you, because you're going to get a lot of free publicity that way. But after you got momentum, get the hell out of the way. Don't hog it up. See? That guy has a record.
Against me, guess what we were at? We would go to the house and we had to pick everything up and then go to the flea market and sell it. So I learned how to sell. I know how to negotiate at a flea market. I knew what it was to be resourceful and to make up their hands. Your gifts are there. There's a book called Strength Finder that I really, really, really like. And it talks about leveraging your natural gifts, that we focus too much on what we don't do very well. And we spend too much basic balance sheet, okay? You gotta understand your business. So part of me learning was having to master my financials and master financial literacy. So learn, always learn. I pick up one thing that I kind of don't like that I hear right now is like, entrepreneurs trending. It's like it's so cool. I'm an entrepreneur. Well, I mean, I think we're all entrepreneurial, okay? So you don't have to like wear it as a badge, you know.